They didn't have all the collections, but all the ones that they brought along with them were $10. Okay. Hey y'all, it's me, Pretty Witty 77, and if you're a witty, then welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, whistle. Today I'm coming to you guys with a very special video. It is a product haul. Now, I think the last product haul that I did probably was Black Friday, when, you know, it was sales all online everywhere for like 50% off the entire site. Like I caught the sales, sis. Also, Sally's had a sale 50% off deep conditioners. So I just snagged a lot of things, but I was able to attend the Hue affair. So there were so many natural hair brands in attendance, and I was able to snag some products at discounted rates. Some of them not, very few not, but some products that I picked up and I've never tried before. So let's get into showing you guys my damage. Like, hold on. Showing you guys the damage. Might have did some damage to the pockets, but you know, when there's damage to the pockets with hair products, it's definitely not gonna be damage to the hair. Okay. So with the Hue Beauty and Natural Hair Fair, the first 300 people in line get quote unquote swag bags, and where you get like a certain amount of products, and these products are full size. I was in the number, you hear me? I was in that number, so I was able to grab a swag bag, and I'm gonna just let you guys know what's in here. Full size products, okay? I think there's 8. I have the Mielle's Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Cream, the Babasu one. SheaMoisture Coconut and Hibiscus Illuminating Body Wash. The SheaMoisture African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Deep Cleansing Shampoo. The Eating BodyWorks Coconut Shea Cleansing Co-Wash. Creme of Nature's Hydrating Curl Cream. Soft Tea Naturals Pure Shea Cream Curl Enhancer. SheaMoisture's 100% virgin coconut oil leave-in treatment, and it's a spray. This is a spray leave-in. Y'all know how I feel about those. And last but not least, the SheaMoisture Daily Hydration 2-in-1 Bubble Bath and Body Wash. So I got 8 full-size products just by being in that number, okay? Like this, I can't even fit it all in my hand, but these are products that I just got by default. And let me show you guys the things that I actually picked for myself. Also, this is like, I ain't buy it, but I got it because I made a trade with somebody else who had another product, and we kind of switched. So I was able to kind of like trade my way into this SheaMoisture's Curl Stretch Pudding. I've seen a couple of people use this, and I am excited to use it, okay? It's supposed to be like for curly, coily, shrinkage prone hair. My hair be shrinking, okay? I've seen my hair shrink so much lately than ever. I'm not sure if my hair is going through that quote unquote stage where people say, oh, your hair texture changes, your curls get tighter as the, I don't know, maybe it was the products, because this doesn't look as shrunken. I don't know, maybe I'm exaggerating, but yeah, I did snag this product due to swapping, okay? You gotta know how to cut a good deal. So next on the list is going to be Uncle Funky's Daughter. Okay, so they had the Curly Magic. I think it was like $10 a piece, which is a snag because y'all know this is like what, $15 to $17 in store for the 12 ounce. So yeah, I was able to snag 2 of these. I think I got the last 2. This lady was like, I was gonna get that and I was too slow. Yeah, you was too slow. Give me my curlies. Give me my magics. Also, I was able to snag some products from Africa's Best. I've never tried this line before, y'all, but I got 2 deep conditioners, which is the Curl Cream Restorative Conditioner. It's 100% pure coconut milk, avocado, grapeseed, and flaxseed oils. I got 2 of these. I believe these were 3 for $12, which is good. 3 products for $12. That's the product. That's the price I paid for one. So I got 2 of the deep conditioners, and I was able to get the coconut cream leave-in conditioner. A lot of these things it just looks so good and rich. And this is what I like most about this. When you buy any deal that they had, they gave you a brush comb you know, the double-sided one for your edges. So I was able to get that just by buying something from Africa's Best. So you never can have too many of these things. You never can. So the next thing that I purchased was from Adwoa Beauty. I don't know how to say this. I'm pretty sure I'm messing this up. I had it right there, but you know, once you go a couple hours without saying it, I was able to get 2 products from them. I got their Biomed leave-in conditioning styler. It's a leave-in, okay? But this leave-in, y'all, because y'all probably not, I don't know, so I'm pretty sure some of y'all heard of this product before, but the ingredients were really good, okay? And what I like most about this leave-in, what made me want to buy it, is when I put it on my hand, it was thick, it was creamy, and it felt moisture. I can literally feel it in my hand. Like those kind of leave-ins, the thickness is definitely what I go for. And did you know that when I bought this, and she was like, oh, when you buy the leave-in, it comes with a pump. That is what, dude, take notes, okay? Take notes. That is what I like, okay? Like, either I can do it like this or I can pump it out. What else could a girl ask for? Also, I was kind of impressed by they got a Biomed deep conditioning treatment. This is 8 ounce. It looks really little. I don't know what's up with these weird shaped containers. I don't know, they're trying to be cute, different. I'm not sure, but the thickness of this was fire. It's really thick. How I like my it does kind of smell like mint, and I'm not a fan of mint at all, but this is creamy, thick, and rich. I really look forward to using this during my deep condition. Make sure that you guys are subscribed right now. Click the subscribe button because you don't want to miss out on these products, especially these deep conditioners. Y'all know I love to try new deep conditioner. You always wonder like what to try, which one to try. I got a whole series where I deep condition with y'all and like sample new ones, old ones, just tell you what it is. Go ahead and subscribe, sis. But yeah, I got these 2 products, the leave-in and the deep conditioner from this brand, Adwoa. It's so cute. It really smells, I smelled something and I was like, it smells so good. It must have been a deep conditioner because literally they had on this shirt, smells so good or something like that. And I was like, dang, y'all marketed that really good. Yeah, it does. It smells, I hate when I do this. It smells really good though. So technically I'm saving the best for last. These products are some I've never tried before, some I have, but it's by one of my favorite leave-in lines ever, which is Camille Rose, okay? They had a sale. They had a good little deal, girl. At this Hue affair, all of their products that they brought, they didn't have all the collections, but all of the ones that they brought along with them were $10, okay? Oh no, $10, okay? So y'all already know in stores the curl maker itself is like $22, $21, $25, like $10. I haven't used, well, I use curl maker on one of my most bomb wash and goes. Let me see, can I find that video and link it above for y'all. But I got 2 of the curl makers because like, why not? I could have got more and sold them to y'all for a little bit more, and y'all still would have got it for a little bit less. You know what I'm saying? That's a hustler. But anyways, I'm really excited about the Camille Rose products, okay? Also, you guys know that my favorite leave-ins, and one of my favorite leave-ins in the world is by the Lavender collection, Camille Rose, the whipped cream leave-in. This leave-in is so bomb. It's so thick. It's so creamy. It smells good. I got 2. Like, why not? I got 2. Now, I got 2 more products, and these products I've never used before. This is a deep conditioner, the Algae Renew. Keep your fingers crossed. I really hope that this works. I have never used the Camille Rose deep conditioner. It smells really good, okay? I ain't gonna hold you. It smells really good. Let me know if you guys have tried this before. What were your experience with it? I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed that you guys tell me something good. While you brace yourself and see that I am going to be trying the Quench Deep Conditioner from the Lavender collection. I really hope that this works. The ingredients, everything looks good. I just couldn't imagine me trying a product from Camille Rose that I did not like. It's always okay or like bomb. Like there's no in between. Well, yeah, there's no in between. So I'm sitting here thinking like, what are your favorite Camille Rose products? Like, have you guys tried Camille Rose line before in any collection they have? Because I don't know. I feel like leave-in wise is definitely one of the top of the ones in the market, period. What a steal. What a steal. $10 each. Y'all better go to these little hair events. Now y'all also got like some samples of some things, other things, but I feel like since I didn't spend my own coin and they're not full size, there's really no need of me showing y'all because I can't do nothing with samples but like test it out on a small section of my hair to see how it works for my hair. But I stopped by this other little natural event in Texas, Austin, Texas. I think it was called a Blossom and Soul Fest. And there was this vendor there that I've seen on Instagram before. Now this is something new, you know what I'm saying? I just really wanted to do this haul things I bought today. I got some t-shirts too, but they're not important. They're not hair wise, okay? But these are. So I got these little wraps, right? And y'all know I love me a good high bun with like an old wash and go. So I'm pretty sure you guys seen these. These are the I don't even know what you call these, but they go out like this, and when you have your hair in a high puff, it kind of drapes the back. You know what I'm saying? It looks like some kind of hair tie, but it's actually just kind of made like that. This is gonna be on the back and it comes around the front and the puff goes out in the middle. I'm so excited. Isn't this cute? Look at this pattern. I don't know, I just feel like this is just a whole little African vibe. Look at that. It's so pretty. Also, because you know I'm a sucker for blue. Anybody who knows me knows that. So I did get a blue one as well. I'm so excited to try out these. Like, y'all don't know. This is new to me. I would never, I don't know if y'all can see that. But this is a little bit outside of my comfort zone. Yes, because I'm just used to kind of being plain Jane. So if you guys are wondering, maybe I'll do a little talking video with it in my hair. And I know for sure you're gonna see it on Instagram. So you aren't already following me on Instagram, check it out. I cannot wait to play around with these. I hope they're cute, okay? They're cute. And you guys are probably wondering like, what is the brand? I put everything I mentioned here. Check the comment section, not the comment, why do I always say that? Check the description box and you guys will have all that information down there on all of the full-size products that I mentioned. Also this company here, because I do not know, let me see, can I find it? Do not know it off top. I don't know. So that pretty much sums up my haul that I purchased at these little hair events down here in the ATX, okay? Like I said before, check the description box for if you want to know like the full product names. And also, just not for the Camille Rose products, let me know if you tried anything that you've seen in this video. I'm trying to see some. I'm trying to see if they good, bad. Like, I'm really trying to see what's up. If you haven't already, check out these videos over here, sis. I'm pretty sure there's something that you find interesting that you just have not seen before. Anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video.